Okay, guys. All right, here we are. A sneaker unboxing because you guys want it so bad. All right, so I figured I would do one just for you guys. But hold on, the light's coming through. That's blinding. So I gotta do this first. It's better. It's better. Okay. All right. So here we are. All right, the shoes are right behind me. So this, by the way, this is after school. In case you're wondering, I'm going to a hockey game tonight. Oh God, hold on. I hate it when I'm trying to show people the time. All right, it's 3:40, so it's yeah. So I'm going to hockey game tonight. All right, so let's see if I can show you this. No, I won't show you the time. Okay, all right. So I got my watch here, so you can see the time here. All right, so I'm going to a hockey game tonight, and the game doesn't start till 7, so I'm gonna have to wait this one out. All right, okay. So there's gonna be a little math question at the end for you to solve. Okay, so treat this like it's a I don't know bonus math video. Okay, all right. Without further ado, let me take out my little baby safety scissor and unbox this guy. Okay, all right. Let's see. Hold on. Can't believe I'm doing this after all these years. All right, let's see. All right. All right, there's the packing slip. This is from a store in Chicago. All right, and I used to live in Chicago. Not that that means anything, actually. All right, so let's check this out. All right, good. They got the right size. It would be so embarrassing if they got the wrong size. So here's the shoe. All right, Easy 700. What's the label say? All right, so Easy Metallic 8.5. That's my size. All right, let's pop these shoes out. I'll do a very short review. I really don't want to spend too much time talking about this shoe. All right. I don't even think you guys care about the sneakers. All right, you just want to see me to do an unboxing for you guys. All right, so that will be the one unboxing video for this year. All right, let's see. Yep, just as I expected. All right, so this is the Yeezy 700 MNVN in the metallic colorway. All right, so there you are. Let's see how the qualities are. The quality isn't spectacular. It's okay. I mean, there's a little bit of glue. All right, and these shoes, they get dirty very easily. All right, quite notoriously too, I believe. All right, so these are gonna get dirty, and they're hard to clean. Okay, so hold on, let me make sure the sizes are right. Because one time I actually bought a pair of basketball sneakers, and they were two different sizes. If you can imagine that. All right, which is you can imagine how frustrating it is to wear them. All right, let's see. Yep, size is right. All right. All right. So here we are. So I actually, when I first saw these, I was really intrigued because I do own the yellow pair, which many of you have probably seen before. Okay. So the shoe is comfortable enough. All right. I like the construction. I just like the design. Actually, it's really clean. Okay. So when I saw these, I wasn't sure like how metallic they're supposed to look. So because there's another colorway called a bone colorway, all right, that's practically just white. Okay, and I didn't know whether I would like that or not. And so I actually had to go all the way to a flight club on a Saturday to check them out in person, and I had to wait in line for like 30 minutes because I swear there's only one person working downstairs in the stock room. So waited 30 minutes, looked at them, and they look metallic enough for me. So I bought them on this sneaker. It's not a sneaker store; it's more like just clothing. This place in Chicago that I've used before, and so that's pretty good. Okay, so yeah, that's it. All right, there's the sneaker unboxing. I hope you liked it. All right, not too long, and thanks for watching. And maybe there's another sneaker unboxing video down the road. All right, okay, all right. Take care now. All right, peace.
A few moments later.
Okay, all right. I almost forgot to ask you the math question. The math question is, all right, if one now, these shoes, okay, I'm not gonna lie, all right, these are not cheap shoes, okay. I have to tell you in order for you to do this math problem, okay. Again, I'm not, I'm not bragging here, all right. I'm not proud that I just spent this much on a pair of sneakers, okay. So, all right, so write this down, okay. So, if $1, so what we're gonna do is this: we're gonna convert the price of these Yeezy sneakers into Canadian dollars, okay. Remember that proportion lesson that we did, right, last week? So, okay, here's the deal. All right. If these sneakers, okay, let me give you the exchange rate first. If $1 is 1.26 Canadian dollars, all right, so 1 Canadian dollar and 26 cents, how much is this pair of sneakers gonna cost? All right, and here's the price tag. I'll show you the proof. And oh, is the price on this? Oh, it's not even on the slip. Oh, the price is not on the packing slip. All right. So the price is $220. All right. I know. I'm not proud of it. All right. So again, the price of the sneakers is $220. So at the exchange rate of $1 to 1.26 Canadian dollars, how much will this pair cost in Canada? Okay. So go ahead, get that calculator out, write the proportion, and solve for it. All right. And that's it. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye now.
OMG, that was so good.